What if you could wake up tomorrow and money was showing up in your account while you slept, while you had coffee, while you spent time with your family? That's not a fantasy. That's passive income. And it's not just for tech billionaires or Wall Street traders. For years, I traded my time for money like most people. Then I discovered something simple. Systems can work for you 24/7, even when you're not. Today, I'm going to share 7 passive income ideas, not complicated schemes, not get-rich-quick nonsense. Real, practical ideas that anyone, especially busy professionals and entrepreneurs like you, can actually start. Some of these you can launch this week. Some might take a few months. But all of them, if you stick with them, can build real income over time. Let's get into it. Idea number 1, the digital product pivot. Idea number 1 is creating and selling digital products. Here's why this is the ultimate beginner's passive income. You create it once, and you can sell it forever. No inventory, no shipping, no complicated logistics. What kind of digital products? Think about what you already know. Are you an entrepreneur with a system that works? Create a simple PDF guide or checklist. Do you have a skill, planning, organizing, a creative hobby? Turn that into a printable planner or a template. Can you record your voice? Create a short audio guide. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy make this incredibly simple. You upload your file, set a price, and they handle the payment and delivery. The inspiring part? A single $10 guide might not sound like much, but if you create something truly useful and it sells just 5 times a day while you sleep, that's an extra $1,500 a month for work you did once. That's the magic of digital. Idea number 2, affiliate marketing with purpose. Idea number 2 is affiliate marketing, but not the spammy kind. I'm talking about sharing tools you actually believe in. You already recommend things to friends and colleagues, right? You should try this software. That book changed my business. This is the best laptop for what you do. Affiliate marketing just lets you get paid for those recommendations. Here's the simple version. You join an affiliate program for a product or service you genuinely love. They give you a special link. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Where do you share these links? In a blog post reviewing the tool? In a YouTube video showing how you use it? In an email to your community? Even on your social media? The key is authenticity. Only promote things you'd recommend anyway. When your audience trusts you, they'll trust your suggestions. And that trust turns into income that keeps paying as long as your content exists. This video is sponsored by Jobop, a powerful way to earn consistent and residual income. If you're creating content, building a brand, or even just getting started online, monetization can feel overwhelming. That's where Jobop comes in. Their affiliate program connects you with a high converting offer you can share with your audience and earn commissions for every successful referral. What I love about it is how simple it is. You sign up, get your custom tracking links, and start promoting a real product everyone needs. No complicated tech, just a straightforward system designed to help you earn while providing real value. Whether you're on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or running a blog, this is a practical way to build an additional income stream. And the best part, you're not selling something random. You're promoting a product that everyone needs and can genuinely help people. If you've been looking for a smart way to diversify your income, this could be your move. Click the link in the description to learn more and get started. Now, let's get back to the video. Idea number 3, write once, earn forever with a simple ebook. Idea number 3 is writing a short, focused ebook. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm not a writer. You don't need to be. You just need to have one useful thing to say. Think about the questions people ask you repeatedly in your work or life. That's your book topic. It could be, how I organize my business finances in 30 days. 5 mistakes I made starting my business. So you don't have to. The 40+ Professional's Guide to LinkedIn. You can write a 50-page book. You can write a 20-page guide. You can even dictate it into your phone and have it transcribed. The point is to package your knowledge. Publish it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. It's free, and your book becomes available to millions of readers worldwide. Every time someone downloads it, you earn a royalty. Months or years from now, that book could still be earning. That's passive. Idea number 4, create a simple online course. Idea number 4 builds on the last one. Create a simple online course. People are hungry to learn from those who've done it. And you don't need to be a world-class expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of someone else. Your course doesn't need 50 hours of video and Hollywood production. It needs to solve one specific problem well. Record yourself on your phone or computer walking someone through your process. Use screen shares. Keep it practical. Platforms like Teachable or Thinkific make it easy to host and sell your course. Once it's created, it can sell on autopilot. You answer questions occasionally, but the core work is done. Imagine creating something that helps 10 people a month at $50 each. That's an extra $500 a month for work you do once. And as your audience grows, so does that number. Idea number 5, invest in dividend stocks, the patient way. Idea number 5 is dividend investing. This one takes patience, but it's one of the most proven paths to passive income ever created. When you buy shares in a company that pays dividends, they literally mail you a check or direct deposit just for being an owner. It's like getting paid rent on your money. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. With fractional shares offered by apps these days, you can start with $10 or $20. The key is consistency. Invest a little every month, reinvest those dividends to buy more shares, and let compound interest work its magic over years. It's not flashy, but imagine a future where your portfolio pays you enough to cover a bill, a vacation, or more without you lifting a finger. That's the goal. Idea number 6, license your photos or videos. Idea number 6 is something many people overlook, licensing your photos or videos. Do you have a decent smartphone camera? Do you take pictures of places, food, or everyday life? You could be earning from those images. Websites, blogs, and companies are constantly buying photos and video clips to use in their marketing. You can upload your work to stock sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Every time someone downloads your image, you earn a royalty. It's a game of volume. The more quality content you upload, the more chances to earn. And once it's up there, it can keep earning for years. Idea number 7, the one-pager website. Idea number 7 is building a simple one-topic website, sometimes called a niche site. You pick a topic you're interested in. You write helpful articles about it. You include affiliate links or simple ads. That's it. For example, let's say you're passionate about vintage watches. You could start a simple website reviewing affordable vintage watches, writing about how to clean them, where to find them. You join watch-related affiliate programs. Over time, as people find your articles through Google, they click your links and you earn commissions. It takes time to build, but once it's established, it can generate income with very little ongoing work. It's like owning a small digital property that pays rent. Start before you're ready. Let me leave you with this. Every single one of these ideas shares one thing. They all started with someone deciding to begin. Not someone who had it all figured out. Not someone with a perfect plan. Someone who said, I'm going to try this one thing this week. Passive income is not about getting something for nothing. It's about trading your time once for income that can keep coming. It's about building small assets that add up to real freedom. You don't need to do all 7. Pick one. Just one that feels interesting, that plays to something you already know or enjoy. And this week, take one small step. Create a folder for your ebook. Open a free account on a course platform. Research one dividend stock. 6 months from now, you could have a small stream of income you didn't have before. A year from now, it could be significant. 5 years from now, it could change your life. But it all starts with today. If this video sparked one idea for you, hit that like button and subscribe for more. And definitely check out the JoBop link in the description. It's a perfect example of idea number 2 in action. Now go start something. Your future self will thank you.